Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change preferred braille grade in keyboard options in Realme 14x phone. So first of all we need to go to settings. Then in settings we're looking for system and update menu. Next we are looking for keyboard and input method. Then we need to open manage keyboard option, and here we have TalkBack Braille keyboard options. So when we open it here, we have a few options that we can change, and we are interested in preferred Braille grade. So here we have, by default, we have Uncontracted Braille. We can turn it to the first option or the second, whatever we want from here. And that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.